I'm having here some persimmons. It's my favorite season. Every time I look at persimmons, or every time I see persimmons, it reminds me of one of my good friends, Juan, and the movie that she introduced me to. And it was the first K-drama. It's not even a K-drama, but it's the first Korean cinematic experience I had, and it's with a movie called Little Forest, and I think you can watch it here on YouTube. Little Forest is just such a peaceful and such a calm movie. The visuals are just perfect, and she does something. It's like with food, and you kind of go through the life of the protagonist character and whatnot, but she does it's like sun-dried persimmons, and they are so juicy, so sweet. So every time I see persimmons, I think about that. And the way we eat persimmons in Portugal is quite particular. We love persimmons, but it has to be like super ripe, and you can suck on it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna talk about my vegan tips for new vegans and overall for people that want to include more vegan products in their lifestyle. So here we have the persimmon. Look how pretty does it look. Oh goodness! You know? So sweet. Oh my god. The most problematic thing, and the first thing that people will throw in your face, is protein. If you live in Switzerland, these are the places that I would advise you to go get your protein from. If you enjoy soy products and seitan, such as granulated soy cubes or seitan or nutritional yeast, I would advise you to buy these products from a platform called Galaxus. Galaxus is pretty much the Amazon of Switzerland and France, I think. But you find very good products, and as you can see, I love the brand Vegans, and you have really good deals and really good products in there. So if the basis of your diet are soy products and seitan, get it there. In case you are like me, love me some tofu, I would advise you to get your tofu from Lidl. Lidl has this package of tofu from their own brand, and I think it's called Vemondo, and it's the same type of tofu that I used to find at the Asian supermarket. It's quite affordable. Each package comes with 500 grams of tofu, and it's just delicious tofu, has no aftertaste. Sometimes bad tofu has the weird texture, and the flavor is just not it. You cannot find it with this. This is like natural tofu, just great. If you have a little bit of spice here and there, some sauce, this tofu is just what you need. And you can, if you are used to my content, you also know that a lot of times I just eat cold tofu with some chili oil and lettuce, because this tofu is that good. And each package comes with 500 grams of tofu. What more do you want? Now, if you are like me, that some days you just want vegan fast food. For that, if you have the chance to go to France, I would advise you to go to honey, what's Carrefour? Okay, I would advise you to go to Carrefour, because they have really excellent deals. If you cannot go to Carrefour, I think Co-op has quite good vegan product, vegan fast food, and also, of course, Lidl also has their Vimondo. But we really love the chicken nuggets, or the vegan chicken nuggets from Lidl, and the sausages. But I think Carrefour has more variety, and maybe I think even the prices are quite good. But if you cannot go to France, you can just get them from Co-op or Lidl. Now, going to protein shakes, we also include protein shakes in our diet, because I go to the gym, Matt cycles a lot. Because of that, we just supplement our diet with a little bit of protein shake, and at the supermarket Co-op, you can find this vegan protein shake. It has 35 grams of protein, so good, it tastes amazing, and you don't have to make it at home. Also, from Carrefour, you can find the vegan yogurts. I'm not so fan of yogurts, I don't really care, but we consume quite a lot in the house. If you cannot go to Kaufland, I think Migros has really good selection and affordable selections of yogurts and vegan cookies. The vegan cookies and gummy bears and whatnot, I would advise to get them from Migros. In terms of vegan sliced meat, vegan cheese, I would always say to go to Co-op. They have a gigantic offer, and also they have different types of cheese. So if you like raclette, if you want to have fondue, if you want all the crazy cheeses that sometimes you cannot find so easily in Europe because they are American brands and whatnot, Co-op normally has them. Of course, the price will be spicy, but still Co-op has them. Lastly, one of the things that I feel like every vegan pantry should have, or every person that eats a lot of vegetables but kind of craves the smokiness and the meatiness on their dish, is liquid smoke. And liquid smoke, I do think you can find this brand and other options on High Herb, and it's a platform where you can buy most Americanized stuff at an affordable price, and it gives you a lot of different options. But I feel like that's pretty much it. I got you. I give you options. You can find all of this written on the description box. And if you actually have other suggestions and more tips, leave them down below, because that actually helps all of us. Look how juicy the persimmons are. Oh my goodness. Have a good week, and I'll see you on my next video on Monday. Mwah. Ciao.